Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in the Discord app on your devices. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the rest of the video. Like it. Let's get started. In order for us to clear the cache in Discord, to clear the memory absolutely on any Android phone, we will need to go to the settings. And then we're going to scroll down here. We'll find a tab called Apps. Then we'll open Manage Apps. And now we'll need to write the word Discord in the search box. Here we go. We go in, we open storage. And here we have total, app size, user date, and cache. Cache, we click Clear Cache and we click Clear Date. And click OK. After that, you and I were able to clear the cache in our Discord app in literally 1 minute. If you liked and helped this video, you can subscribe to the channel. Put a like. Thank you very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. Bye-bye.